Students, hope you all have read the pages that I have given you of your chapter number 14. That is the first chapter of geography. The name of the chapter is Resources. And now we are going to start the questions that we can make from these pages. This is the page number 141. The first paragraph, renewable and non-renewable resources. The first question that we can make from the paragraph first, what are renewable resources? What are renewable resources? For the answer of this question, you can write down renewable resources are the resources that can be regenerated after use. For example, solar energy, air, water, air and water, plants, animals, and human beings are also renewable resources. Okay, the next question that you can make, what are non-renewable resources? What are non-renewable resources? For the answer of this question, you can write down non-renewable resources are the ones that take millions of years to generate and do not reappear during the lifespan of human beings. For example, coal, petroleum, natural gas, etc. In the next paragraph, actual resources. From this paragraph, we can make the question, what are actual resources? For the answer of this question, you can write down actual resources are those resources whose location and quantity are known and we have the technology to exploit and use them. For example, mineral deposits of Chota Nagpur Plateau. And the next question that you can make, what are potential resources? What are potential resources? For the answer of this question, you can write down potential resources are those resources which are known to us but we don't have the sufficient knowledge or the technology to exploit them at present. Okay? For example, minerals located under the thick ice cover in Antarctica. Okay? And now students, come on the next paragraph, that is human resources. From this paragraph, you can make the question, why human resources are considered the important resources of any country. Why the human resources are considered the most important resources of a country. For the answer of this question, you can write down the greatest and the most important resources of any country is its people. Okay, you can start. I am telling again, the greatest and the most important resource of any country is its people. Educated and skilled people help in the rapid development of a country. So, the human resources are the most important resources of country. The next question from next paragraph, we can make human made resources. What are human made resources? What are human made resources? For the answer of this question, you can write down human made resources are ones that are created by using human using their knowledge and expertise. Okay, human made resources are the ones that are created by humans using their knowledge and expertise. For example, buildings, machineries, railways, roads, ships, etc. are the human made resources. Okay, and the next question that you can make, what are energy resources? What are energy resources? For the answer of this question, you can say coal, petroleum, and natural gas are called the energy resources. Okay? Coal, petroleum, and natural gas are called the energy resources. And the next question that you can make from the last paragraph, conservation of resources. For the question, you can write down why the conservation resources is important. Yeah, what is the important? You can also make the question, what is the importance of conservation of resources? What is the importance of conservation of resources? For the answer of this question, you can make from it is essential that these be saved, utilized judicially, and conserved for the future generations. It should be realized that if all life supporting resources are indiscriminately used, then our very existence on the earth would be in danger. Till now, you can write down till there. Okay. So the next question that we can make from the last page, what do you mean by the sustainable development? What do you mean by the sustainable development? For the answer of this question, you can write down sustainable development means that we should exploit our resources carefully to meet our present requirements without compromising the ability to future generation to meet their own needs. Okay, This is the sustainable development. So these are the questions that we have done, students. You will write down these all questions in your fair notebook and send me as a homework. Okay, if there is any problem or any doubt, you can call me.